Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to resize images in Canva 2024. So I'll be showing you different methods how you can actually resize your image on Canva. So the first one is you have to add your image. So I am using a background that is 500 by 500. So this one. Now to start resizing is you just have to drag the edges of your picture. So like this, you can go ahead and resize the length as well as the width. So if you don't want this kind of method, then you can actually try the second one. So here you can drag your image and then using the corner, you will then just have to adjust it until you can see that it has fitted on the frame. And another method is you can simply right click this image and then you just have to select the set image as background. So this one, as you can see, it has fitted on your frame. So next is you just simply right click this one and detach the image. Now let's try the last method. So this one is not actually for free. So first is you have to right click your image and you have to set this image as background. And once you've done that, you will then just have to click on the resize and magic switch at the top left of your screen. And then of course you have to subscribe to a pro plan in order for you to access this feature. So now that you're here, you just have to select the size, or you can simply click on the customize size option. Then you can type out the size of your image. So after that, just click on continue and then just click on the copy and resize and then just wait. Now just click on this option to open. And finally, I have now the perfect height and width for my image. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.